This one for the show, this one for today, one for everybody. Oh, I had a great spot in the woods, playing by a tree under path and some good, and I forgot to put the power on. Ooh, now my power cell is gone and gone. Oh, these birds got nothing on me. These birds got nothing on me. All these birds ain't got nothing on me. These birds got nothing on me. Used to sit around and listen to my mama sing to the birds. She was a cardinal caller. All those cardinals, I know that call, I know that call, I know that cardinal call. All you birders out there, if that's the wrong call for a cardinal, I don't care. That's what my mama told me was a cardinal. Cardinal song was a cardinal song. Everybody sing along. Go. Hey, yeah. Sing with the birds, it's beautiful. That's what we do. Midday on a Monday at the park on a bench, whistle a song, singing and then singing to the birds. Yeah, we're singing to the birds. Hey, hey, hey. The birds want to beat. Oh, the birds want to beat. Sounds like yeah, these birds, they just need a beat. It's the music what you like. You us to like sing something, whistle something. Come on. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on and sing with me. Maybe next song will get you. She's into it. I like it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for playing along with me. Whoa, 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 no. You clap? All right, we'll keep trying. We're gonna keep trying.
Man, you are solid.
Oh, thanks, brother. Appreciate you.
What's your story? You're obviously super.
I'm just playing music. I'm just trying to start to play music in the streets, So
Yeah.
I played music a lot, like acoustic guitars and singing in bars and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
And I don't know. It's just more fun.
So you're just. Do you have like an online thing going on too?
Oh yeah, I mean, I YouTube channel and
Yeah.
just stuff online, whatever. Yeah, you can check it out here.
That's awesome.
But yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate you.
You're obviously. You're up there.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just gonna keep doing it all summer. So find me on Facebook or Instagram. I usually post the live videos.
Awesome.
Like this one's on Facebook. Hey, thanks.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happening next, but it's gonna be something good.